All you can eat buffet. I don't think they're open though. I think they're closed too. Smarty Pants baby store. Yeah, look at this. Oh, they got a placard over here. What's this for? Shenandoah played a vital role in early development of hybrid seed corn during the mid-1930s. Interesting. Oh, and the infamous don't use your equipment around our area. And there's a little gazebo over there. There's the City Hall building. Not a very big town, but seems like most of the town areas in Iowa are like this. They have at least one main street that they do up all fancy, and it's just a small town area. Nothing but corn and soybeans out here. And this one, second-hand clothing and collectibles. Valley News Today, home of the 99 cents ad. Yeah, must be a local flyer. There we go, some more clothing and accessories. I guess they're just kind of like mixed up of everything. Browns makes the shoe fit. Here's a Health Mart. They look like they've been closed down too. They got everything flipped up and all their chairs flipped up, boxes sitting everywhere. That's what this virus is doing to the country. Closing all the doors. People are losing money. That says it's a lumber store. Or cabinets. This thing right here is a hotel right in the middle of town. We're gonna keep going. This little beauty right here is actually a Pokestop on Pokemon Go. If you want to collect some stuff, get credit for that, you can drive all the way out here just to collect that point. Really? I know a lot of the stuff. I'm actually from Florida. I'm just out here in Iowa working. A lot of the stuff in Florida is either open or at least doing like car side to go, stuff like that. I mean, maybe this stuff ain't open because it's Sunday. That could be playing a part in it. That's one thing I've found with a lot of these small towns I've worked in is they usually still shut everything down on Sundays. I don't know if the theater here is back open yet. They still say opening soon. Be smart, be safe, be kind. Seeing how their posters here look like they're from last year. Maybe they're not from last year. Yeah, Black Widow's not out yet. Oh, Black Widow, November 6th. That's gonna be good. Look at barbershop. Got an antique store. Whoa, look at those suckers right there. Got some antiques. Look, they're open. Open on Labor Day. Store-wide discounts. Look at those old model trucks at Hy-Vee. Oh, look at that. A Dollar General. There's at least one in every town so far that I've been to. I take that back. Some of the towns I've stayed in for my work haven't even had a Dollar General. I've been in some that the only place you can buy stuff is at the gas station. We're going to switch sides when we roll by the depot over here, because they're a pretty interesting setup. They got nifty little restaurants set up right by the old train tracks. And they call it the Depot. Got the little coffee and ice cream shack. I guess that's a museum. I didn't even know that. Shenandoah Historical Museum, but it looks like it's closed. You know, a lot of parts of the country still adhere to the fact that Sunday is the Lord's Day. But you get to bigger cities that have a lot more influx of business, and that's when you start encountering that they don't close down their stores on Sundays anymore because it's too big of a loss of business. There's a really old factory that's still standing. Who knows how old it is or what it used to have in it. I think it used to be a feed store, looking at the sign. This is the depot. They make some really good pulled pork. Really good smoked flavor on it. Kind that you don't even need to put sauce on. They made their restaurant in 1983. That's a year before I was born. There's an old fire truck. There's the train tracks. That's quite an old building. You would think that they might repurpose it or maybe get like a you got a point there. They're probably going over to the main highway, because over on the main highway they've got a Hy-Vee and a Walmart. That's an old building there. I wonder if anybody still lives in that. Look at that. Yeah, it'd be cool is if you could get inside this building over here and somehow still climb up to the top floor. See what kind of stuff that got left behind in there that's all antique and stuff. This looks like an old hotel or something, maybe some apartments. Could be oh, look at that. Some new construction. That's the first time I noticed that. Oh, we got the glass guy over here. Probably go down this street a little further, cut over to the other one, and go back down the other street. A lot of aged buildings around here. Got a framing shop here. Very clever name. Get